Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo, but this one comes as a complete creator bundle of 58-piece accessory kit, 2 extra batteries, and a 64GB memory card included. If you've been searching for a fully loaded action camera setup that doesn't require buying extra gear separately, this package is designed for you. The heart of the bundle is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro itself. Powered by a 1.3-inch sensor, it captures rich detail, strong dynamic range, and vibrant colors even in challenging lighting. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action outdoors or grabbing cinematic B-roll on the move, the sensor ensures clean 4K footage with impressive clarity. You also get stunning 4K at 120 fps for smooth, detailed slow-motion sequences. For sports creators, travel vloggers, and adventure shooters, this higher frame rate adds a dramatic impact to your videos. Paired with DJI's advanced stabilization, footage remains stable and balanced even during running, biking, or jumping shots. The dual OLED touchscreens, one on the front and one at the back, make framing, vlogging, and adjusting settings quick and intuitive. The front screen especially helps when recording yourself, keeping framing accurate and simplifying your setup. The standard combo in this package already includes the essentials, but the upgraded bundle takes things further. You get 2 additional batteries, giving you extended shooting time for long adventures or extended recording sessions. The 64GB card adds storage right away, so you're ready to start filming the moment you unbox it. The 58-piece accessory kit is designed to give you options for every scenario: chest mounts, handle grips, helmet mounts, clamps, cases, and more. Whether you're filming underwater, in the mountains, or in the city, you'll always have the right setup ready. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is fully waterproof, durable, and built to handle tough outdoor conditions. Whether you're swimming, hiking, or capturing high-speed sports, the camera stays reliable without needing a separate housing for water activities. If you want a complete, ready-to-go 4K action camera system with all the mounting gear, batteries, and storage already included, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo Bundle is one of the best value-packed choices available. Use the Amazon link below to grab yours, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily tech videos.